Syuenny! In this video, I'm going to unbox a very new product, which is this one! The new version of BBC Microbit. Ta-ding! So, the Microbit Education Foundation actually launched the new version of BBC Microbit this year. And this new version of BBC Microbit is going to start selling in Malaysia in this December. Let's discover the new features of this Microbit version 2 with me. This is the new Microbit version 2. It comes with some new features where the first one is this one. This logo is now a capacitive touch sensor. We can code this as a button where we can turn on something and turn off something. So turn to the back. Here, we can see there's a built-in speaker now. We no longer need to plug in an external speaker in order to play music. This Microbit version 2 comes with a built-in speaker where we can directly play music on this board itself. And this gold color rectangle here, this is a built-in microphone. Microbit version 2 comes with a built-in microphone where it can be used to sense and react to the surrounding sound. Now I take the existing Microbit, which is this, the first version of Microbit, and the second version of Microbit. So let's compare it. As for the size, there's no difference, and even for the arrangement of the front part, there's almost the same. Yeah. And turn to the back, it's also almost the same, just that there is some difference in the arrangement. Now we enter the makecode.microbit.org. This is the makecode editor which we use to code for Microbit. But for the Microbit version 2, this existing makecode editor wouldn't work. So how I did was I actually found out something where I go to here, the about, and in here there's something called experiment. So I click into this experiment. I actually found this beta editor, but I believe that this beta editor is still under development, so it's not like completely stable yet. But no worries, let's just try. So we go to this beta version. Yeah, so it will come back like here, but you can see the URL here actually get another beta. Okay, and it will take some time to actually update the interface, and when it's done, we go into the new project. So the project name is version 2 test. Okay, then I'll take create. Okay, so the first thing is, what we can see, we go into the input here, you go down, you can see here a Microbit V2, which is Microbit version 2. And you can see other different new blocks which is suitable for us to use for Microbit version 2. Okay, so here is like on loud sound or on quiet sound. Okay, I believe this is for the microphone. Then after that, we can try other, which is on logo press. This is the touch sensor on the logo there. Okay, press, touch, release, or long press. So you can code different activity for it. Let's see others. For music, we go to here, Microbit version 2. We can actually set the onboard speaker off or on. So for example, we can turn it on or turn it off, which means that when we don't want to use the onboard speaker, we can turn it off. When we wanted to use it, we can turn it on. Yep. And let's see if there's others. So for it basic, there's not much changes, and I think others are still the same. Right. Yep, others are still the same. So the major difference is at the input part, where you have more input for the microbit version 2, as well as for music. There are some new sound available. Maybe I can show. We can have giggle sound, happy sound. Okay, let's try this. Yes, we can actually hear this. Oh, and another thing is you can see this board that shows here. If it is in the beta editor, you can see a version 2 labeled here. So it clarifies that for the beta editor, we can use it to code for version 2 microbit. And that's that. I already showed some of the new features on this micro beta version. Okay. And by using this microbit version 2, I actually created a project, a very simple project, which I just wanted to test out the buzzer on the microbit itself. So I just code on logo press, which I use the touch sensor here, and set the board speaker on and show LED just to simple show something. And I play a range of tone, which is a song that I try to develop. So let's try if it works on the computer first, okay? Yay, so it actually works. Since the program is working on the software itself, it's time for us to try it onto this new microbit board. Okay, so how to download the codes into this microbit board is the same. All we need is just a USB cable. Okay, we need to plug in the USB cable to the microbit, which is here. Okay, then another side we'll plug onto the laptop. Okay, so we close this pop-up window. Then to download the code onto the microbits is very simple. Here you can see a download. We just click this one. Here it's actually stated connected to microbit. But for the first time when you are plugging in the microbit, it's actually need to pair. But I already paired just now, so I cannot show you that. Now we just click onto this, download to microbit. And wait for 1, 2, 3. Yep, so here is stated download completed. Let's try it out. On logo press, it will play the sound. Let's see if it works. On logo press. Yay! So it works, and obviously we can hear the sound come from this built-in speaker, and you can see that I actually didn't plug into any external speaker. There are actually much more stuff we can do by using this new version of microbit. So one thing that I found out it's really useful is actually the microphone. So by having the microphone on the microbit board itself, it allows us to have direct interaction by talking or by using different sound level to communicate to the microbit board. If you are really interested in having one of this new version of microbit with you, remember to go and check it out this December.
That's all for today. Bye.